guys, I'm Shalini Samuel and I would like to welcome you to another very exciting episode of La Maison L'Oréal Paris, your one-stop for everything beauty. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 quick hair hacks that will help you achieve great hair every single day. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe and also hit on the notification bell so you do not miss out any single video we put out. So I love styling and experimenting with my hair, like you guys can see. But obviously sometimes it gets really difficult in managing it, and I know a lot of women out there are always seeking for easier ways to manage their hair. I really like using the L'Oréal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. Now this really comes handy and makes styling my hair a breeze, so I just take 2 pumps of this in my palms. I massage this really well. This also makes my hair look really shiny, lustrous and adds life into it. And then I just apply this to my midlengths to ends. And what I also love about this serum is that it makes my hair look really hydrated and nourished without really weighing it down and making it look really sticky. And this serum can be used in more ways than just one. And I'm going to show you how you can in this video, so you guys watch till the end. So hack number 1 is the fuller ponytail with bobby pins. So on days when I have a really big to-do list to complete, I always take my hair into a high ponytail because this way it stays in place and I do not have to redo my ponytail. I also started using bobby pins and small clips so that I make my ponytail look naturally fuller, and I make sure that it does not, get weighed down or look flat. This is also one of the easiest hacks and it is super easy, and I think anyone can do it. So for this, take all your hair up into a high ponytail first. So I'm going to take a comb, and using the white side of the comb, I am just going to brush out my hair. So like you can see, I'm combing my hair and I'm slowly taking it all into a high ponytail. Then take a cotton rubber band like this and take it into a high ponytail. And always use cotton rubber bands like this and avoid using plastic rubber bands. So this is my high ponytail. Now the trick is to use bobby pins. So I have this bobby pin. What you want to do is pull the rubber band in the front like this. So open it out and open your bobby pin and take it through the rubber band. And then push it into your hair right at the base. And if you think that isn't secure enough, or if you have thick hair, then you can use another bobby pin. Like you can see, my ponytail already looks a lot lifted and better gripped, and this is gonna keep it like firm and perky all day, and you're not gonna like have it loose and falling down. Another thing you can do is take these small claw clips, separate your ponytail into half, and then just stick this claw clip right in the center and just spread your hair over it. Now the claw clip obviously gives an illusion of fullness to your ponytail. Another thing you can do is take a little bit of the hair on top and then just gently back comb it. This will give the top area a little bit of volume, and it will also help in hiding your claw clip. Now if you want, you can also add a little bit of serum. So I'm just taking 1 pump and I'm just going to run it on areas where I have a little bit of like flyaways, and I would also like to neaten out the ponytail a little bit. And just because I'm going in for a really nice neat look, I am just cleaning up the sides and back as well. And that's my high ponytail ready. So hack number 2 is to curl your hair with a hair straightener. I know we all get confused whether we want to wear our hair straight or curly. So for all the times when we only have a hair straightener but we want to curl our hair, I have the simplest hair hack for that. A hair serum is a great way to get your strands ready for styling. So I'm going to take a dime size amount into my palms. I'm going to massage this in my hands and apply this to my midlengths to ends. I'm going to use a wide tooth comb to get rid of any knots. And this way the product also gets evenly distributed on my hair. And now we can start curling it. So to begin with, I'm going to divide my hair into two halves right in the center. I'm going to start with the left side. I'm going to split that into two halves, keeping the top section away for now. We're going to begin by curling it here. Make sure your straightener is heated up. Mine is on 210 Celsius. Take that in the straightener and flip it inwards. And all you have to do is just pull it out straight. Wrap it slightly towards the end and pull it out. And this is how your curl is going to look. Moving on to another section. So take a 1 inch section, take it inside and flip the straightener inwards. Keep wrapping it and pulling it. And when you reach the end, just wrap it one more time. Stick to taking 1 inch sections to get a curl like this. Again, inside and flip inwards. Pull it out straight and then flip it again. And that's your curl. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. And this is how your curls will look. So this is how you curl your hair with a straightener, and I really hope you found this hack helpful. Now with this quick hack, I would also like to know how you guys are taking care of your hair. So let me know in the comment section below and I will definitely try it the next time. So hack number 3 is the chopstick hair bun. Now we've all struggled to find a rubber band when we have needed it the most, and I know we've all been in this situation, and that is why I love this bun. You guys can use a pencil or a pen to recreate this. You also do not need a rubber band or a bobby pin, and that is why I like this, and it is super easy to recreate and also looks really pretty at the same time. So to begin with, comb your hair out really well so there are no knots. After which, take all your hair together like you would for a ponytail. Place your chopstick on the left side of the ponytail and wrap it around twice. Slowly keep twisting it towards the top and insert the chopstick inwards. And that's how it looks. So this is my chopstick hair bun, and before we move on to the next hack, in case you guys want to watch 2-minute quick and easy everyday hairstyles with a twist, then click on the link here and watch the video. So hack number 4 is to naturally have wavy hair in the morning. So on days when I am extremely busy and I have very busy mornings, I begin by styling my hair the previous night, and I'm going to show you one of my favorite hacks to wake up to natural effortless waves. So I'm going to begin by applying the L'Oréal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. So I'm going to take this much and I'm going to apply this to my lens, and then I'm going to make 2 tight braids. Now this will really nourish my hair, and because my hair will be braided for 8 hours, the serum is going to lock in that pattern and I'm going to wake up with naturally wavy hair. So on the right, I'm just going to make a really tight braid. So just make a regular 3-strand braid. Try and make it as tight as you can. And try and braid it all the way till the end. Take a cotton rubber band and secure it. Now do the same on the other side and secure it with a cotton rubber band. So it's been 8 hours, I've slept with the braids and now I'm going to open it up. And all I have to do is just run my fingers through the hair. I just love how this looks. This looks so effortless and absolutely perfect for a day event. So hack number 5 is a hack for using bobby pins. Be it a side twisted braid or a side bun, you always need a lot of bobby pins to keep your hairstyle in place. But no matter what, your bobby pins never stay in place for long and your hairstyle becomes loose. Here I have a hairstyling hack for that. So to begin with, I'm going to take my bobby pin and I'm going to use the L'Oréal Paris Elnet Satin Hairspray. Now this is great in creating long-lasting hairstyles. So from a distance, I'm going to spray this on the bobby pin. I'm going to keep this to dry and I'm going to create my side braid. This braid is just as a reference. You can use this technique for any braid or any hairstyle. So I've created my braid and my bobby pin must have dried up right now. So just take your bobby pin and insert it into your braid. The hairspray on the bobby pin has set it on my hair so that the hairstyle doesn't slip off and my braid does not become loose. And I'm going to make a braid on the other side as well. And again I'm going to use the bobby pin with the hairspray on the second braid. The hairspray has set the bobby pin in place in my hair and this way my bobby pin is not going to slip off and my braid isn't going to get loose. These are some of the hair hacks that make my hair look great every single day. And as I mentioned earlier, do not forget to share how you guys have been taking care of your hair. I would love to know. So let me know in the comment section below and I will try it the next time. Also subscribe to our channel and hit on the notification bell so you get notified every time we release a new video. And if you want to know more about the products I have used in the video, check out the description box. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!